Hey guys, it's Jeffrey, back at it with another video. I'm not really uploading as much as I would and as much as I would want to and like to, because there's really nothing I can really do. I'm stuck inside my house, and all I can do is try to cook up some pairs of shoes and resell what I can. But today I'm going to show you how to legit check your Jordan 1s. But first, I'm going to the post office. So let me just quickly show you what I'm selling and what I sold and what I'm going to drop off. So it's a pair of these New Balance, the Made in America. These are the J. Crew collab, and this is the last pair. I started with 4 of these, and this is the last pair sold on GOAT. I'll put the stuff up here, and yeah, I'm just going to drop that off real quick. What up guys, it's your boy Jeff. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to legit check your Jordan 1s, the Royal Toes that just came out, and we're going to be using a UV light to get that done. And basically I'm just going to show you what to look out for if you have a UV light. Other than that, these just released, so if you were to buy them right now, honestly the chances of you getting a fake, pretty slim. They're going to be bad fakes. You're going to be able to hopefully tell if they're fake or not. Other than that, if you're not willing to risk it, you're going to have to spend the extra money. Go ahead and purchase them from GOAT, because StockX tends to sell fakes more often than not. But both can sell fakes. Both have been, caught selling used and fake shoes. So that's up to you. But yeah, today we're gonna start off this video by opening and eating one of these Supreme Oreo. I had bought 8 of these when they restocked, and thank you to the cook group and their monitors. But I was able to sell 6, make my money back and some on top of that, and keep 2 of them. I give one to my friend, and I'm eating one for myself right now. So let's open it. Promised my niece I would give her one, so I'm gonna have to give her one. Alright, let's see if they were broken, because the ones I sent my friend, he told me that they came in broken. Then I packed the other ones that I sold better, and none of them complained. But let's check it out. No. Wow. I thought this was the worst pack. I was feeling the cookies when I was shipping them out and stuff, and this one felt completely destroyed compared to the other ones. That's why I kept this one for myself, and it turns out to be probably the best one. Let's see if I can show you. It's gonna say Supreme. Now I don't know how y'all eat Oreos, but I do the old twist, and then I eat the white and then eat the red, or it would be black. Or I dip them in milk, because man, nothing beats dipping in milk. But I'll you know what, we're just gonna take a bite. They're not bad. My friend told me they tasted horrible, but it does taste like red velvet, like he said it does. They definitely are worse than regular Oreos, in my opinion. Yeah, so I'd say people are only buying this cookie to have them and to say that, oh, I ate a Supreme Oreo. Because other than that, these are yikes. No. I'll finish it though. I'm gonna go give these to my niece. Be right back. Alright. Now, before we get to the Nike unboxings of the Jordans, I want to show you my personal that arrived weeks ago. I haven't made a video because, there's nothing to really make a video about. I would have vlogged more outside and stuff, but there's no outside going over here in New York, Queens. It's just not safe out here. I do have a theory that everyone in my family already got it. The reason is because one member that lives with me tested positive for the antibodies. The chances that I got it have multiplied like astronomically, because they have the antibodies, so that must mean I had it. I was sick for 2 days and I lost taste for 1, so I must have had the most mild case in the universe. But we will see. We'll see when the time comes to go back outside. But for New York, that is not happening soon. You already know what this is. You can see it right here. It's the Nike and Susie collaboration. Here they are. I mean, what can I say about this shoe other than it looks amazing. And I was hesitant on whether or not I was gonna keep the shoe, and it's because they skyrocketed. I can't speak. It's because they skyrocketed in price. They went to about what did they at? Like, I'll put it up here, but I think they're maybe like they were $350, and then they dropped to 300 to 2 something, and then everyone's like, wait a minute, these are nice, and wait a minute, these are limited, and then they skyrocketed right back up to I think 400 now. I could be super wrong. That could be 500. Well, I'll put the price up here, and as you can see, what I just noticed right now is that this shoe has a unit of air right here, right in the cage, and it's super like squishy. So that's probably why the shoe is so comfortable. People are saying it's really comfortable. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is try them on to make sure they fit me, because my foot is something else. It's like an anomaly. Like, it's wide, and when you have a wide foot, it ruins a lot of stuff. So let's see if it'll ruin this shoe for me. I'm not even gonna untie this. It looks like it's like a cage sock system, so they look basically like Yeezys. They don't look like Yeezys. The system looks like Yeezys, where it's like a sock and there's just laces to be laces. So let me try them on. The shoes are on. Okay, and now you should be seeing the shoes too. Okay, the shoes are on, and they're looking quite fire. It is tight, not tight, but it's pretty snug around the ankle area. Other than that, this shoe is crazy comfortable. It's like wearing a sock. Honestly, the materials, they're very soft. So yeah, all right. There's the personal right here. Okay, so now I already have one of the shoes out, and it's mainly because my father opened one because he needed the box. So I'll show you the pair first. All right, it comes in the regular Jordan box, cap off, and here they are. They come pre-laced with black laces. And what else? What can you really say? This is gonna be a classic. I'm telling you right now, a classic shoe. Of course, in my opinion, red is gonna be better than blue in any colorway battle, no matter what. Imagine the red fragment shoe. In my opinion, that would be way better than the OG fragments, Jordan 1s. But, and I'm biased because red is my favorite color. But I'm gonna have to keep my size 9.5, which is gonna be another one unboxed over here. In total, I got 4 pairs. And one still has not shipped to me. So, I mean, that's not going to be unboxed in this video, but I'm just showing off, and we're going to show the UV light when we finish unboxing the rest of these. Now, shoes are not the only thing I got to resell during this time. What I actually ended up doing was picking up some Disney products, and Disney, if you don't know, sells really well because the collectors will pay the high for the items. I'll just show you. Look at these guys, look how they pack. And let me show you what it is that they're protecting everything from. Just to protect Star Wars keys. Now let me show you what this is. Now this is a collector's item. It is a Star Wars, it's like a decorative item, or maybe even like an ornament if you want to use it as that, but it's supposed to be for decoration. Maybe even put it on your keys if you don't mind this big of an item being on your keys. But this is a collaboration for May the 4th. So May the 4th be with you is what the item key was called. And people actually are reselling these. They go for around 50 bucks on eBay, and the cost was $12. So I'm going to sell 2 of them off. I bought 3. 2 of them I'm going to resell, and the 3rd one's going to go straight to my girl. She is a big fan of Star Wars. Oh, and I'm gonna give it to her in this Disney wrapping paper. This is going straight to the garbage. Let's give another box. Alright, let's see what's in this box. And I'm guessing one of those is from Finish Line. Because, oh no, maybe this is from Finish Line. I don't even know. But this is my personal pair. And I'll use my personal pair to legit check them. But again, I'm gonna show you 9.5. Looking freaking clean. 9.5, looking clean, also clean. Let me just try it on, make sure. If you have a wider foot, you can get away with going up half a size because it's really tight around this area, this region, if you have a wide foot. Other than that, these shoes fit like every other Jordan 1. Alright, so this is my personal 9.5. And before I go, there it is. This is not a Jordan. There's no way. Doing the math, I only got 4 pairs of Royal toes. Yep, not a Jordan. This is actually something that the cook group cooked up. Neon green pair. And oh babe, that is a size 9. Not gonna lie, these are nice. These are very nice in hand. I would honestly keep my size if I had it. This is a nice shoe. The materials are premium on the shoe. Alright, well, there you have it. Jordan 4 SE neon colorway. Again, I got this just a flip. Just a quick flip. This came out to around $110. So honestly, if you want to make money, join the cook group because you're going to get back what the cost is to be in the cook group if it's priced correctly. And then make some more on top of that. Alright, so that was that. Quick flip. And another one. Here's another one. Right from Nike. Another size 9.5. In my opinion, I'm gonna sell when they get to around 400, 450. That's when I'm gonna sell this pair, and I do see it going to that. Size 6.5. There it is. 6.5. Jordan Royal Toe. Retail boys, retail gang, manual gang. Hopefully soon using a bot though, and you will see how that works out. Okay, so let's get into legit checking. First things first, you need to buy yourself a UV light. And UV light will not always work to legit check your shoes, but it's going to be something that helps you immediately prevent getting scammed. If you can detect something like a little stamp from the unauthentic shoemakers that they love to leave on the shoes, which sooner or later probably won't leave on their shoes. If you can detect that, easy peasy, they're fake. Someone's trying to sell you fakes, that's it. And they will appear on the box near the size tag, or they'll appear on the sole of the shoe. Don't know why they even like doing that. And what you need for this one, unfortunately, and most of them actually, they won't come with batteries. So I went to Home Depot and bought myself a pack of 36 batteries? Yeah, 36. So I never have to buy a battery again in my life. But this one takes 6, so yeah, we're gonna do that real quick. Unscrew the flashlight. Yikes. I'm gonna guess that this flashlight is very powerful because it literally said on the box that if you're not using it, take off the batteries, which I was like, I'm sorry, what was the off button for? Oh yeah, it's working. If you don't have the money for a $12, $13 flashlight, they do sell $7, $8 ones in Home Depot, but they're really small. They'll still do the job. They just won't be as clear as this one. Holy crap. Holy crap. That is warm. That is literally warming my body. That's how like powerful this UV light is. The difference between this one and the Home Depot one, the Home Depot one had 1 LED. This one has a 50. 50? This one has 100 LEDs. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go into a dimish area. So I'm gonna turn down the light for this. What you want to do is when you have your flashlight, you want to check every single side of the box that you can. So the first thing is to turn it on, and you're gonna flash it where the size tags are. Now, usually there'll be a stamp around this area. Anywhere around this area, there'll be a stamp. And as you can tell, there's no stamp. This is how the box should look. The white tag will react to the UV light. And there will be no tag or stamp anywhere on the box. Now the inside too. There can be stamps on this cover, but on an authentic pair, there will not be any stamps. You will have a swoosh logo here, and you will have your check here. Now moving on to the shoes. We're only going to look at one shoe because that's all you need to look at. The first thing, and you don't need a UV light for this. You should know how a Jordan 1 smells. I'm sorry. If you don't, it's going to be harder for you. But if you do, it's going to smell like an authentic pair of a Jordan 1. And I'm going to do it right now. It just smells like glue and material. But it's like a specific smell. Because that's how every Jordan 1 smells. Because that's how every Jordan 1 is made. That is authentic. A fake one will smell, I think it's more like honey. And it won't smell authentic. You do the same thing for Yeezys or / Adidas fakes. If it doesn't smell like that, boom, that's another call. Fake. Do not buy if it doesn't smell like a Jordan 1. 2. Let's put this shoe on display. Here is your Jordan 1. Here is your Jordan 1. And when you point the UV light, you should see some things react. Maybe some things don't react, but this is how this Jordan 1 is going to react. Okay, as you can tell, the first things that start reacting is the stitching. The stitching has to react in order for it to be authentic on this royal toe. Specifically to this Jordan, these stitchings will react. As you can see, it reacts all along the sole of the shoe, the outsole of the shoe. And it reacts on the stitching that goes up the swoosh. It reacts, as you can tell, and around the ankle. Now, the Jordan logo, it does not react. It is not glowing. You can tell. So that's another top sign. Let's go to the front of the shoe. As you can see, the stitching still reacts on the bottom. And the tongue, yes, the tongue reacts to the UV light. Okay. If we go on to this side, it is the same story. All this stitching is reacting. From left to right, the stitching is reacting, and if we go to the inside, the insert, this is how it looks. It has some words here. Sock liner. It says die cut sock liner, and it's going to be 9.5 specifically to the sizes. Some sizes may use other sizes. It has the Jordan logo, the RESELL logo right here in the front. And yeah, that's the insert. Now I'm going to go ahead and take out the insole that's usually glued down. I'm just gonna have your size on the bottom of the insert, and on the inside it's going to be it's going to be taped down. Okay, on the inside the excess strands are going to be taped down, and it's going to be a gray bottom, 2 holes right there, and there's 2 more holes on near the toe box area. This is also something you got to check that reacts to the UV light. The stitching all over the bottom is reacting to the UV light. The stitching that is taped down reacts to the UV light. The tag reacts to the UV light. The inside white, it reacts to the UV light. It all should be reacting. The only thing that's not reacting is anything that's black or gray. And the tape won't react. That's another sign. The tape is not reacting to the UV light. And that's how you legit check a pair of Jordan 1s with the UV light. Alright guys, that was how to check your Jordan 1s. That was how to legit check your Jordan 1s with the UV light. Thank you for watching this video. I will try to upload more content because there's nothing to really do. I should be uploading more, but I really want to grow this channel. I really want to have a fan. I want to say like fan base. But yeah, I really want to grow this channel and show that it is easy making money reselling stuff. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and leave a like if you like the video. And yeah, thank you for watching. Is this still recording?